FX Empire reviews FXCM. This broker has been well established since 1999, and they offer indices, Forex, commodities, cryptos and bonds across a selection of different trading platforms, including the FXCM flagship trading station desktop, the Mac-friendly trading station Web 2.0 and the MetaTrader 4. They are regulated across various jurisdictions, including in the UK by the highly stringent regulator, the FCA. Now, the FCA offers all of the traders that work with FXCM an investor compensation scheme to protect their deposits, up to the tune of £50,000. In terms of the assets on offer, we're looking at 39 different currency pairs, 2 cryptos, 13 indices, and a metal plus a treasury, and 9 different commodities. And you can take a look at the list by scrolling through some of these sections of the website here. FXCM has quite a history. It's owned by a holding company which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, so has quite the reputation. And with one single account, you can access a whole variety of different markets. In terms of the platforms, we mentioned the trading station, but you can also use the MetaTrader 4 download for your computer and also for mobile too. You'll find an economic calendar on the website, and you'll also find a video library which can give you insight into the markets, no matter what level of trader you are. There is also some great research available to traders. And in terms of support, well, you can access frequently asked questions where most of your questions will be answered. There is an email address which you can write to for same-day answers. You can SMS the company, you can speak to them live chat, which is probably the quickest way in order to get in touch. And bear in mind, there is a demo trading account, so you can literally try before you buy. So let's now take a look at the trading station platform. This is the proprietary platform, and you can sign in for a demo, or you can just start trading for real. And this is how the trading station looks. It's a well-designed interface, clearly with the user in mind because of the simplicity of the interface. It's quite easy to navigate around all the major functionalities. And you can also take advantage here of multiple order types. You can see real-time pricing, use dozens of preloaded indicators which you can add onto the charts, and you can also get email alerts and notifications. So let's just walk through this platform. If you click on this will just open the menu on the left. So I'm looking at the demo, but if you'd like to apply to trade for real, then you can do that. And of course, as a regulated broker, you will need to supply your verification documents. You can also upgrade to a real account from here. By clicking on the trading button, you can see all of the available orders to you, which you can simply click on and make changes here. So we're looking at orders for the euro dollar at the moment, because of course this is the asset we're looking at. You can create your own watch list by adding from the left to the right hand side, and of course you can move symbols back out as well. There are a whole bunch of widgets available to you. This is a very customizable platform, so you can add your charts, you can add your price panel, you can add simple dealing rates, Docker layout, and you can make changes that way. And also you can go into your settings and change your default settings here. You can also download your reports, but of course, as a demo account, I have no reports to show at the moment. And once you're finished with that, you can then minimize that. All of your available balance and margin is up here, and you can see if you're having a margin call. But you can also optimize the layout through the top of the site here and check out your profile and make changes to it through there. So quite simply, like many platforms we look at, the symbols are on the left hand side where you can actually maximize this to take up the full screen. To click on a symbol and to select a symbol, click on sell or buy. Take a look at the symbol, choose the sell or the buy, the volume you'd like to trade, the order type, so the at market or market range, and you can click on OK, or you can go into some of the more advanced settings where you can add your stop and limit orders there. And once you've done that, you can simply click on buy or sell, and that then takes place and opens a position for you. And you can see your margin is changing as we speak, but you can also trade directly from the charts. So you can do the same thing by clicking on sell or buy from the charts. And you can take a look at a variety of different types of charts here, as you see in front of you. Plus you can change various other functionality and parameters, including cursors. And you can add your indicators from here. So this is the full library of indicators. You can browse from the top, or you can simply scroll through and see what is available. So once you've done that, you can simply click on it, and that will then appear directly on the chart, as you can see. And there's more Fibonacci tools available to you here, so you can add your retracements from the left hand side of the screen. You've got your crosshair, of course. You can draw, add trend lines, and do plenty more besides. And of course you can delete things from here, so you can delete any trend lines that you've created from here. And now we're looking at the Android version of the TradeStation created by FXCM. So this is the proprietary platform. It's a beautiful looking app actually, which just takes literally under a minute to install, and you can open a demo account to practice with it, or you can just input your login details for your existing account. So as you can see at the top of the screen, you have your account details, your equity, your balance, much like the web version and the desktop version. Simply click on a symbol to zoom in to the chart, and you can sell and buy from here. And from here, you type in the amount of volume and click on sell or buy, the type of order, so at market or market range, and you can simply go ahead and submit, or of course add your limit, stop orders from there. And this was placed successfully, this trade. So now we can click on open positions and take a look at our open positions. You can see this is my current trade, which I can then go ahead and stop, limit, or close. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. That's 2-click trading there. And then I can look at my closed positions, or I can go to my open positions. So there you have it. You can see my closed positions. So then if we go to the menu item at the top of the screen on the left-hand side, you can see these are the options available to me: deposit funds, apply now for a real account, look at my reports and download them, and also change my settings, log out and quit the application. But it's also a bit nifty because it shows me my account number and also my account equity too. From here, it seems the only thing I am missing is the ability to speak to somebody, to contact somebody directly from here, and it seems that that is not an option available to me. But also note that there is research directly from the app here, which you can click on and read in full to learn about what's happening in the markets. You can look at your actions and clear those down, and that's all available from the bottom of the screen there. And this is the app for Android, but of course you can download this and install it for iOS which would be suitable for your iPhone. Now I just wanted to show you some of the other available platforms to you. Now there's a whole bunch of different apps which you can add on to the Trading Station and MT4, but you also have these two packages. The Ninja Trader is for futures and stock trading, and you can access a whole bunch of like 1,000 or more assets from this platform here. And the Zulu Trade is the auto trading service which you can connect to, and you can read more information on how to engage in auto trading from here. If you're a professional trader and you're looking for something a bit more special and a bit more high-end, then consider the Quant Connect. We won't go into this now, but if you are a professional trader, it is definitely worth looking at some of these pages to see how you can go about doing algo trading and some slightly more complicated backtesting, and coding your own strategies and so on. And just wanted to, before we sign off, just point you to the direction of the clients here, where you can access the portal. You can trade Forex directly online through the web. So this is like your shortcuts menu. Access trading tools from here. You can place a deposit and manage your account directly from the shortcuts list. So this was a look at the FXCM broker, and this review was brought to you by FX Empire. Happy trading.